PailKit is finally live on the internet in a very not yet very useful form. Again, taking all of the stuff that's in the bundle, slowly but surely putting that into PailKit, but instead of waiting until everything was over there, it's like, might as well just make it live. You can hit the API today if you want to. One thing that I added for my AI coding workflow today, so I think a couple episodes ago I talked about like my review code prompt, but now I also have just like pre-commit hooks. And so if you do not know what those are, is you can decide to, every time there's a commit, your app, your code runs a series of tests and checks. Really nice way, especially when working with AI agents in your coding workflows, to at least have some level of, it works, kind of, or like make sure that there's some enforcement of standards and that you're not having too many regressions. Again, it depends on how good the tests are and how well the tests are written and covered. But I added that in there today, caught some stuff, was able to fix it, and I'm excited to continue to put that into my workflows. Next up, I'll probably have some like CD stuff, like CI, more CI CD stuff, so that maybe I might even trust AI to just deploy things if it passes some checks. But that's a little too much giving up of control for me right now. Tell me about like what guardrails you give in your projects. I really want to get inspired by others. Like what guardrails, what sort of things do you put in your projects to make sure that the AI is operating inside of your constraints and not going too off the rails and not doing things that will ultimately be too destructive. For so far, the main things that I have that seem to work okay are making sure that, test-driven development, making sure that you have tests for the features that the AI can run and just actually see the outputs. There's probably later in some modules some front-end testing that I need to put in there, which I'm excited to maybe do something with like Playwright or Chrome DevTools MCP if there are pieces that are like on the web to give it some context and give it some checks before it commits. And then I have this like pre-commit checks, but wondering if there's anything else that you all have found that works well. That's it for me today.